I'm right here beside the road to nowhere, on top of the Sandusky River. I'm on my afternoon walk. And I'm going to take a little break here now. Take a little break. Now if I go down below by the river, I get me a boat. And here, this I could use for a paddle. And I row my boat gently down the stream. Merrily, 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 life is but a dream. This Sandusky River here below me is flowing north just into the Lake Erie. And I'm out here almost in the boonies, so you might say. Some huge cornfields from last year, harvested cornfields, and some woods all surround it. There's a blue sky, a beautiful spring day, puffy clouds, and a slight breeze. It's on the cool side, but it's very comfortable and pleasant to be out. So, there's a road to nowhere. It branches off the river's edge walking path in beautiful Upper Sandusky, Ohio. So, I think I'll go continue my walk, and I'll check back with you later. I'll save my paddle here till next time I come around. Ciao, ciao. Ciao, ciao. There's the river there, Sandusky River, flowing along northbound, merrily, merrily. There's Stepping Stone Park on the other side there, beautiful park. One of 5 of them here in this small community, small city of 8,000 people. There's a huge open field there, going all around. Some nice, beautiful homes over there on Duck Pond Road. Beautiful homes. There's the beautiful sky. Some beautiful puffy clouds. I hear a woodpecker here. So I'll continue my walk. There's some walkers over there on the other side of the river. Some walkers there. And that's what I'm going to do. I'm continuing my walk. See you soon.